Hi guys, and welcome to my kitchen again. I'm Jessica from Nova Scotia, Canada. Whoop whoop. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Show me some love, because I love to get to know you guys, and I love to answer all your questions, and I love all the awesome comments you guys leave. Comment is like a big hug. So you're joining me for lunch today. I'm making a keto grilled cheese for lunch, so let's get cooking. Alright, here's what you're gonna need. You're gonna need a tablespoon of melted butter. It's not quite a tablespoon because I don't like it to be soggy, so I usually put a little bit less than a tablespoon. The baking powder, some kind of spatula, something to mix it with. I got Italian seasoning, garlic powder, sorry. But you can use whatever spices you guys like. Egg. And then a microwave safe dish. I sprayed it with Pam, whatever the spray is. It's like olive oil flavor. I'm sure it's not real olive oil. Almond flour, and I'm obviously cheese because I'm out of cheese slices. Super simple though. Excuse me. Alright, so we're gonna put we have the butter in there. It's melted. And then we're going to put the almond flour. So it's 3 tablespoons of almond flour. I'm losing my voice. That's 1 and 2 and 3. It's half a teaspoon of the baking powder. And 1 egg. And we're going to use, like I said, Italian seasoning for spices. And some garlic powder. So, that's good enough. Just a pinch. But you can use whatever spices you like. I like garlic, so I'm putting some garlic powder. About a 1/4 teaspoon. And then you're just gonna stir everything. Yeah, I'm making a huge mess. How you guys doing today? Hope you're having an amazing day. It's actually my first solid meal of the day. Usually, for breakfast, I just do some kind of PTK. With lots of water, of course. At least 2 cups, so 16 ounces. Sometimes I do more. I'm just gonna clean up this mess. Sorry. It was bugging me. There we go. Alright. Just mix it all, incorporate it all together. Super simple. It's like a 90-second keto bread because you make it in the microwave. And then you can grill it. But yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just going to stick it in this bowl. There we go. Sorry about the noise. Alright. So we're going to scrape this in. I have my my tablet playing something I usually do in the kitchen. Can you guys hear that? Hope not. I just like a little background noise. It helps. It helps. That's basically it. So I'm gonna stick it in the microwave for 90 seconds. So it would be like a 1.5 minutes for my microwave. Depends also what kind of microwave you have. If you have a super strong one, you might need to stick it in for less time. But if you have a... Sorry, I'm getting distracted here. Okay, so I'm just put about a tablespoon of oil, olive oil, of course. So if you have a stronger microwave, you might need to put it for less time, but if you have a weaker microwave, you might need to put it for more time. So pretty much up to you. And I'm putting some mozzarella cheese. I usually like to use Swiss cheese. That's all the cheese I have. Like I said, I'm out of Swiss cheese slices. I buy just the natural cheese slices. They're usually pretty low on carbs, that is. Alright, so this is basically the bread. So I'm just going to take a plate and I'm going to pop it out. Pops right out, see? And then I'm going to cut it in half. Sorry, I'm heating up that pan. There you go. Cut in half. Ooh, there we go. And we're just going to put cheese on it. Actually, I'm going to put the ham right in that. Because I was going to fry the ham. But I'm just going to put it right in it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put cheese on the bottom so it gets nice and melty. And I'll put the ham and then some more cheese. There's the bottom. There you are. The cheese, ham, and then more cheese. That's pretty much my sandwich. And just put it on top. Ooh, that baby's hot now. My oil is burning. I should have put butter. Oh well. So you just stick it right in. Squish it in. So that's going to be on there for a while because it takes a bit. So when I see the edges usually getting a little brown, that's when I flip it. And squish and flip. I overdid it. Alright, let's lower the heat a little bit. But it's fine. Squishing it in so the cheese gets all melty. And it's done. There we go. Super easy lunch. And it's keto friendly. There we go. I got a keto grilled cheese and ham. Ta-da! All melty. I love it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I love you guys. Bye!